Today we've got students from that are currently in our heavy equipment class and prospective students with Caterpillar employees, giving them training and tips on how to use the controls and really just getting kind of dirty. Caterpillar is really visionary in that area. They really recognize the need to reach out to these students and provide them with experience in these different pieces of equipment and to get them the skills that they're going to want when they come to them 10 years from now and want a job here.
It is very important to us because we know they're the future for tomorrow. And it's very nice to be able to work with them at a young age so they can understand what's out there, which this actually has good benefits, good pay. There's good potentials.
The business leaders really recognize the workforce demand in areas of construction and mining in our community, and they wanted to do what they could to provide that opportunity to students.
We see the difference it makes in some of these kids. It opens up their eyes to know exactly this is a piece of equipment. This can actually bring you something good to your life tomorrow if you actually pursue this career.
There's a great demand in this area specifically and really across the nation. So they're earning kind of starting anywhere between $20, $25 an hour to begin, and then they're able to move up from there.
We see the kids out here, just the enthusiasm in their eyes. That right there is what pays off.